Welcome to everybody. Today we are going to talk about some helpful hints to keep your mouth and basically the teeth safer, less painful. You may not need to go to a doctor at all, but that's a tall claim. Anyway, let me explain what we are doing. This is the brush which I am going to introduce to you. Any toothpaste, a hydrogen peroxide for actually this is the hydrogen peroxide for oral purposes. Uh, Oral purposes. You have to buy us. Let me see here. It should show the ingredient will be a 3% hydrogen peroxide, and for oral debridging agent, first aid antiseptic oral debridging agent. That's what it says. That means for purposes of oral purposes. But this one is, don't think that it's that expensive. It's available in Walmart, 85 cents in Walmart. Last time when I bought it, 16 fluid ounces. Okay, let me go through each one. I accidentally found out this toothbrush. This toothbrush is a special toothbrush. See how smooth it is. It has 20,000 bristles. Actually, you can buy even other ones, more or something like that. I found this 20,000 bristles is good enough. Very nice. So basically, it smoothly, does the job. It doesn't go and, grind the teeth, with toothbrushes. Like even if it is soft or diabetic toothbrush, those are all money ripping, matters. So anyway, let me I think you have seen this. Okay, there is one more product I didn't show here. Lot of people will be very much familiar with clove, Clove. It's a spice coming from India. Clove. It's available in almost a lot of grocery stores. Okay, this clove is very good for the teeth. It has one negative, that is the teeth instead of white, it becomes brown if you long time using. So after I used for 6 months or so, I don't use it that often now. I was using exclusively that. Then later I moved to hydrogen peroxide, because hydrogen peroxide is not only an antiseptical, it also whitening. It also whitens the teeth slowly, long time use. So anyway, let me go and start explaining what you are seeing. Okay, so now let us. So this what I had problem was I have problems, bleedings and pain and all kind of things. Went to the doctor, did something, he did even put some and all that. But then again, after 1 or 2 years, it again started doing the same thing. So at the time, I was introduced to clove by someone. So I started using clove simple every day. I was gobbling my mouth with okay. You take the clove, make the powder, and make a solution. Put this and keep it for an overnight on a warm water. Then it's like making coffee, something like that. So it gives you the water. Take the water and goggle. I was doing it during the night. It has very good effect, and maybe 2 times it was very good effect. But the teeth was becoming, very very red color. Now I am not as bad as I used to be. But anyway, red color. It used to be very bad. Okay, so that does the job. Simple. But there is a pain and other issues. So the more I brush, the more pain I found. Then I said, maybe there is something wrong with the pain. So I went and looked at, all the places. Diabetic brush I bought, smooth, uh, like diabetic brush and all that, rip off. Very expensive, doesn't do the job. Same brush they are sending as a diabetic, but it's nothing. So at that time, I was looking for this. In fact, I was looking for a diabetic smooth brush. When I was doing the brush, this came, the 20,000 bristles brush. I thought this may be a wonderful. The reason I thought it was wonderful was younger days we used to take, this one like this. We used to brush just with this, because younger days there was no toothbrush. Some people will use some tree thing, but I used to do this. I say, my teeth survived. May not be a great teeth, but there is no, no thing. So when I come to this country, for the first time when I went to the dental, that is because my company was offering the dental plan, so I went there free. The guy took some pictures and looked at it first. I think maybe he took the pictures or looked at it first. First he looked at it and all that, and he was asking what kind of brush you use. I said, some brush, I don't know what it is, because I didn't want to tell him I'm using the hand still. He said, you see, there is a lot of lines, scratches and things like that. So you have to use, very good brush and with a nice toothpaste. And he was trying to sell some brush, obviously. That was a shock to me, because my hand cannot do the job. It could not make lines. Another thing, I want to bring something in this context, because same thing when I went to the doctor at the same time, because I got the new insurance now. I used to have the insurance as soon as I came. My university gave me the insurance, but I hardly used it. But then when I went to the job and they give the thing, these people, go first, free this thing. So I went. All my employee, the co-workers were telling, oh, I went to the dentist. Oh, I went to the eye doctor. I went to the doctor and all. So I said, why not we go? That's how I went. Okay. So when I went to the, the dentist, the same guy, I think the dentist, he looked at it and said, you have to take the 4 wisdom teeth out. He was giving me a proposal, 4 wisdom teeth so much, and then bringing this small, this thing, polishing or whatever, this, that, blah, blah. And then those days there was no deep cleaning. Trust me or not, they were cleaning, but the deep cleaning came, if I remember right, at a later stage. At least he was not offering the deep cleaning, but he was offering something else. He was trying to remove those lines, the so-called hair lines, scratches. Anyway, so I said, no, I cannot remove the wisdom tooth. At that time I was 35. I lived 35 years without any problem. And he said, no, here we take immediately. But you take, that's fine. I'm not interested in that service. So let's move on. So things like that went. But anyway, let's go back. So I used to, even then, that guy was telling scratches. Though he basically asked me to go and buy an expensive brush from him and then scratch my teeth. That's what he wanted to do, that. Scratch my teeth. When I am scratching my teeth, I am scratching my gum lines. And then it starts bleeding, and then those are all the things, it follows. So when I found this, I remembered my finger. Wow, finally I can, have something else to, not the replacing the finger, but no. After that, I replaced my finger at 35. After that, I went to brush, this, that, and I was doing brush all. So this happened around in 60, right now, 75 I am. So about few months ago, now I went back to simulating my finger. And then I put little bit of, so I bought it. So I remember that, so I bought it, I ordered it, it came, and then put little bit paste to it. And then just for making it even smoother, like a lubricant. So I put it, and it has this one has a lot of foam in it. And then when it does that, oh man, it's like riding a Rolls Royce. Okay. Oh no, dump this Rolls Royce, idiotic car. It is like riding on a electric car. No engine noise, no engine sound. and smoothly it goes. It's like, I felt like driving Tesla. Okay, so it was so smooth. Very, very. Then I, gargled and, throw water out and washed the water and all that. So it felt really good. Okay. Um, so then this is the plan. This is the one I'm doing. I expanded my plan. I had 4 brushes. Morning, as soon as I woke up, I have just a hot water, not hot water, warm water, just warm water gargling and brush the teeth. That's the water brushing teeth. Just brush. So it will throw away all the, collection that was collected and all during the night, So anyway, so what happened is then after that, have a coffee, immediately take the water, gargle and then, clean up the water. Clean up the coffee from the mouth. So it has to be done. The milk products are very bad for this thing. So we don't want to have any milk product. Bacterial growth is very high on them. Then after that, breakfast. Then after the breakfast, I wash. After lunch, I wash. After dinner, I brush. I use only once the toothpaste. Okay. Other times I used to use the clove water. Then later, because it was making my mouth red, teeth red or brown, I found this hydrogen peroxide, which they were telling it will whiten the teeth. See, now it's not that bad. It's not very white, but it's not brown. So I started using it. Gloves also I use maybe once a day, night during the time, because I don't want chemicals in my mouth all night. So I wash it with the gloves during the day and wash it with the hydrogen peroxide in the morning, 2 times. So, and then brush and things. So because of that, I keep it clean, and I also use 2 antiseptic stuff. So I don't have any bleeding, any issues, no pain, and it's a very good one. So I recommend this to everybody. You go to Amazon, search 20,000 bristles toothbrush. That's all. And lots of things comes. You can buy at 5, 10, they are not that expensive. Maybe 5-pack will be about $6, something like that. You can buy, everybody can use it, buy a 10 and, use it. I throw the brush out every month, 1 month, 1 brush. The reason is it's so much bristles. I mean, in the ordinary brush also things can hide, but when this is like a Amazon, dense Amazon, so lot of things can go and accumulate, and we never know. So why? So every month you just throw it. It's not $1 something, so throw it, $12 a year. So I throw it. So these are all some other things. Gloves still can be used. I don't use it that often because of the color. If you don't worry about the color, I would recommend the gloves. It does work, natural, no side effects and all. The side effect is the browning the teeth. Whereas the hydrogen peroxide, it's after all, it's a chemical. It's a water with another oxygen added. But nevertheless, it kills a lot of bacteria. And, I don't know what it kills in my mouth. I mean, other than bacteria. So, anyway, we live with those things. So it doesn't matter, I think. It did whiten my teeth. It does keep my mouth clean and no bleeding, no pain, and no dentist. Still, there is a lot of work he offered me to do, but somehow it's not doing anything. Pain mainly, it's not there, and so I'm not doing anything. Looks like this will take care of it. I think, in my opinion, the most of the mouth issues are bacterial related. More the bacteria, more the pain, more bleeding. If we keep the bacteria clean, if we have a bacteria-free mouth, most probably it will be good. And maybe if you want to study further, how does the bacteria help Sometimes the bacteria there may help in digestion, may help in something else, but we are getting rid of it. But I don't have any other stomach issues or anything because I started using them. Anyway, I left to your own judgment, but strongly I recommend it. If you have any issues or anything, let me know. We will talk about it. I also like to know as much as you do. Thank you for watching. Hope everybody buys these 20,000. There is even 50,000 bristles.